Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write 10 lines on cow. Cow is a pet animal. It is of many colors. It has 2 eyes, 2 ears and 2 horns. It has a long tail. It eats grass. It gives us milk. We make ghee, butter and cheese from it. We eat its meat. Its skin is used in making bags, belts and in shoes. It is very useful animal. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.